Good evening, friends. Myself Tushar. I am an addict. This is my daily vlog 3. I am going to read today's January 18th. Today's just for today. I am reading this for myself and for other addicts. What says that whatever we can keep, what we have to keep, we have to give it away. That's why I am reading. The simple inventory. Continuing to take a personal inventory means that we form a habit of looking at ourselves, our action, our attitude, and our relation on a regular basis. Basic test, page number 42. The daily inventory is a tool we can use to simplify our lives. The more complicated part of taking a regular inventory is deciding how to start. Should we write it out? What should we examine? In how much details? And how do we know when we have finished? In no time, we have turned a simple exercise into a major project. Hence, one simple approach to the daily inventory. We set aside a few minutes at the close of the day, at the close of each day, to sit quietly and check out our feelings. Is there a knot, big or small, in our gut? Do we feel uncomfortable about the day we have just finished? What happened? What was our part in the affair? Do we owe any amends? If we could do it over again, what would do we what would we do differently? We also want to monitor the positive aspect of our life in our daily inventory. What has given us satisfaction today? Were we productive, responsible, kind, loving? Did we give unselfishly of ourselves? Did we fully experience the love and beauty the day offered us? What do we do today that we would want to do again? Our daily inventory does not have to be complicated to be effective. It is a very simple tool we can use to keep in daily touch with ourselves. Just for today, I want to keep in touch with the way I feel in living this life I have been given. And the end at the end of the day, I will take a brief simple inventory. Thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. I am reading this just for today, first of all for myself and for others. It will give me immense pleasure because I have to prepare for it and I have to understand it before presenting to all the recovering addicts. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night.